Today I show you how you to make and watch together Discord bot. Now I will show you how the bot looks like.
I'm slipping all these demons away. What's your ghost? The ghost of you. And my friends had you figured out. Yeah, they saw what's inside of you. You try hiding another you, but your evil was coming through. This eyes sitting on the wall, they watch every move I make.
Let's begin to set up your own watch together bot. First of all, follow the link in my video description and copy my GitHub URL. Now go over to Replit and paste the GitHub URL into it. Now go over to the Discord developer portal and copy your bot token. Now let's start the bot and see if it's working. Simply ping the bot to get informations. As you can see, the bot works perfectly. Now I will show you how you can host your bot 24/7 for free.
Something that